Okay, if you haven't done it yet, this is a good time to break and go look at the links. There's the egg retrieval fixed action pattern, and then there's two rat links. One is dishabituation and one is spontaneous recovery. So take a look at those and then come back to do your homework. Okay, so for your homework, now I have my examples. I'm going to read them out, and you'll just pause the video if you need time to think, and just label 1 through 6, and then for each one, just put the letter of the thing that it is. Okay, so the first one. A deer runs in a zigzag motion as a car approaches. What would that be an example of? Okay, next one. You're in a movie and you hear somebody sort of sniffling, their nose all the time. And as the movie continues and the sniffles continue, you get more and more irritated by the stimulus. Okay, number 3. You are in your apartment and there's construction outside and workers are using a jackhammer, so there's this really loud noise. Your dog is afraid of this and is cowering under, beside you on the floor. Now, after a while of all this noise, the dog's relaxed and he's gone to sleep. The next day, however, 24 hours later, the jackhammers start up again, and again your dog is scared. What is that an example of? Number 4. An infant, you're showing an infant a toy, and every time you shake the toy, the infant giggles or smiles. Now, after doing this a bunch of times, the infant stops smiling, seems kind of bored with it. So you pick up a new toy and you shake that once, and it gets his attention. Now you pick up the original toy, the one he habituated to, and shake it again, and he's smiling again. What is that an example of? I forget what number we're on, 4 or 5, you'll know. A cat, after using the litter, scratches the litter as if to cover it up, but even scratches the side of the litter box, maybe scratches the wall a little bit, but just goes through this motion until it's done. Okay. You step on a sharp rock and you pick up your foot. What's that an example of? Okay, last one is a double one. You have 2 things that are that fill in the blank. So the sentence is, a faint vibration would likely produce blank, but an earthquake would likely produce blank. So which 2 ideas would fit in those 2 blanks? Okay, that should do it. Bring that to class. You're going to hand it in as you walk in the door. I'll have a place for you to hand it in, and that's your homework, and I'll see you in class. Bye.